In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete sheet in Excel. Start by opening your Excel spreadsheet so you can see the workbook you want to work on. Once the file is open, direct your attention to the bottom left area of the Excel window. This is where Excel displays the sheet tabs for your workbook. Each tab represents a separate worksheet, and this is the area you will use to remove the one you no longer need. Take a moment to locate the specific sheet tab you want to delete. It is important to make sure you have identified the correct sheet before removing it, especially if your workbook contains several tabs with similar names. Since deleting a sheet can remove data from your workbook, paying close attention here can help you avoid deleting the wrong one. When you have found the correct sheet tab, right-click directly on the name of that tab. This will open a pop-up menu with several options related to that worksheet. Keep your cursor on the menu and move it upward until you see the Delete option. Then click Delete. In many cases, Excel will immediately remove the sheet. However, sometimes a confirmation pop-up window will appear. If that happens, read the message so you know Excel is asking you to confirm the action. Then click the Delete button in that confirmation window to continue. This final click tells Excel that you are sure you want to remove the selected worksheet. After that, the sheet will be deleted from your workbook, and the remaining sheet tabs will stay in place at the bottom of the window. If you are working with important information, it is always a good idea to double-check the sheet name before confirming deletion. That small pause can help prevent mistakes. This is a very quick task once you know where to look. Open the spreadsheet, go to the bottom left corner, find the Sheet tab, right-click it, choose Delete, and confirm the action if Excel asks you to. That is the full process for deleting a sheet in Excel. That covers everything you need to know.